What if I told you that a $10 million Mercedes-Benz has been sitting quietly in a garage for over 60 years, hidden in plain sight, untouched and perfectly preserved? You wouldn't have heard about it until now. Imagine this for a moment, a sun-bleached, dusty garage tucked away in a quiet corner of Los Angeles, almost invisible to anyone passing by. The kind of place you'd walk past 100 times and never give a second thought. But inside, among old crates and piles of forgotten, dust-covered furniture, there's a secret waiting to be discovered, a secret so extraordinary, it feels almost mythical. This isn't just another classic car gathering dust. No. What's hidden here is one of the most iconic and sought-after vehicles in automotive history, a machine that changed the landscape of sports cars forever. It's a 1956 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing alloy, a car so rare, so legendary, that its very existence seems almost unreal. Only 29 of these lightweight aluminum-bodied models were ever built. And this particular one has been quietly resting in that forgotten garage for more than 6 decades. What makes this car truly remarkable isn't just its rarity. It's the story behind it. Instead of being displayed in a museum or racing across tracks, it spent over 60 years in the care of Rudy Klein, a lifelong car enthusiast who bought it in the early 1970s for just $30,000. Rudy never restored it. He never drove it. He never sold it, despite countless offers. Instead, he kept it exactly as it was, original, untouched, and perfectly preserved. Year after year, he made sure it stayed safe, covered, and cared for. In essence, he turned his humble garage into a time capsule for one of the most extraordinary automobiles ever built. Now, let's pause for a second and consider the significance of this car. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing isn't just a collector's item, it's a legend. When it was introduced in 1954, it redefined speed, engineering, and design. Its lightweight aluminum body and racing-inspired engineering made it faster than nearly anything on the road at the time. And with its iconic upward-opening gullwing doors, it became instantly recognizable, a symbol of elegance, power, and exclusivity. But what makes this alloy version even more special is its rarity and pedigree. Only 29 were ever produced, and each one was a masterpiece of engineering. Built for both performance and elegance, these cars were designed to dominate both streets and racetracks. Today, experts estimate this particular car's value at over $10 million. For decades, the world didn't know it existed. The car sat quietly, hidden from view, its story fading into obscurity. Among car enthusiasts, rumors swirled about a rare alloy gullwing somewhere in Los Angeles, but no one could confirm it. It was almost mythical. A whisper among collectors, a legend waiting to be proven true. That changed when Rudy finally allowed Jay Leno and his team exclusive access to document the car. Cameras rolled as the garage doors opened, revealing a vehicle frozen in time, its original paint, untouched interior, and matching numbers making it a museum-quality piece. The moment the episode aired, the internet exploded. Car lovers everywhere were stunned by the authenticity and preservation of a Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing alloy that had been hidden away for generations. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so extraordinary. The aluminum body isn't just for show. It was built for racing, lightweight, rigid, and incredibly fast. The competition-spec chassis and engineering refinements made it more than just a beautiful car, it was a machine designed to perform at the highest level. And those iconic gullwing doors? Not just a design statement, but a solution to the car's unique tubular frame, which made conventional doors impossible. Inside, everything is original. The dashboard, the steering wheel, the leather seats, untouched for over 60 years. Rudy never restored it, and that decision is what makes it priceless. In the collector world, originality often outweighs even the best restorations. This car isn't just preserved, it's authentic history. Now imagine finding a treasure like this tucked away in an ordinary neighborhood. Most people pass by garages every day without a second thought. And yet, here was a vehicle worth more than most people will earn in multiple lifetimes, waiting patiently to be discovered. Rudy Klein understood the value of preservation. He didn't need attention, recognition, or financial gain. His goal was simple: keep the car safe and untouched. And in doing so, he created a living history lesson for the world of automotive enthusiasts. This is what makes the story of this $10 million Mercedes so captivating. It's more than a car, it's a testament to patience, dedication, and passion. Experts in the automotive world call cars like this unicorns. And this Gullwing alloy is exactly that. Rugged wheels, a lightweight frame, and raw aluminum finish, it's a car that combines speed, exclusivity, and rarity. Few vehicles evoke the kind of awe that comes from seeing one in pristine, untouched condition. The moment it was revealed to the world, it became an instant legend. The combination of rarity, historical significance, and perfect preservation captured the attention of car lovers everywhere. And it wasn't just about its value, it was about the story it carried, a piece of history that survived time, neglect, and obscurity, only to re-emerge as one of the most incredible automotive finds in decades. But let's not forget the human element here. Rudy Klein's devotion to this car is a story in itself. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, he chose patience. He resisted temptation, offers, and opportunities to monetize this incredible machine. For him, it wasn't about money, it was about protecting a legacy. Year after year, he carefully covered the car, kept it in perfect condition, and ensured no harm came to it. The garage became more than storage, it became a sanctuary, preserving a legend until the right moment arrived. And that moment came with Jay Leno. With cameras rolling, the garage doors opened to reveal a car that seemed to have stepped out of the 1950s, untouched, authentic, and awe-inspiring. Every detail told a story: the craftsmanship of the body, the elegance of the interior, and the meticulous preservation that only decades of care could provide. The episode aired, and reactions were instantaneous. Collectors, car lovers, and enthusiasts around the world were stunned. Social media exploded. Forums buzzed with excitement. Articles were written. The legend of this Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing alloy had finally been confirmed, and the world couldn't look away. This car isn't just about price or rarity. It's about history. It's a portal into a time when automotive engineering combined elegance and performance in a way rarely seen before. It's a symbol of patience and devotion, proving that some treasures are worth waiting for. For enthusiasts, it's a lesson in preservation. For collectors, it's the Holy Grail. And for the rest of us? It's a story that captivates, inspires, and reminds us that sometimes, the most extraordinary things are hidden in plain sight. The rediscovery of this Gullwing alloy also highlights a broader truth: history is all around us. And sometimes, it waits patiently for someone who values it enough to protect it. Rudy Klein was that person. He understood that some things aren't just objects, they're legacies. Today, this Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing alloy is more than just a car. It's a symbol of excellence, patience, and passion. A reminder that the most extraordinary discoveries don't always happen in museums or auctions. Sometimes, they happen quietly, tucked away in a garage, waiting for someone to recognize their value. And now, after more than 60 years, it's finally back in the spotlight, a living legend, frozen in time, and more awe-inspiring than ever. If you love stories like this, rare automotive discoveries, legends of engineering, and hidden treasures finally coming to light, make sure you subscribe to Throttle Dust. We bring you the most fascinating and inspiring stories from the world of cars, history, and passion, stories you won't see anywhere else. Because some legends aren't just built. They're preserved, discovered, and shared, for the first time. So don't miss out. Subscribe now and join us as we uncover the hidden history of some of the world's most extraordinary automobiles.